Hey, what's up? It's Gene with Dent Repair Now. Today we've got this beautiful vintage 1986 BMW 325e. Our client just picked up the car. It's a California car. You can see the shine on the hood. Look at that, the paint is beautiful. This car is, I think it's got 40 or 50,000 original miles. It's just in incredible shape, but it's got a handful of dents on it. He brought it in to get what we call one of our used car cleanups. So let me take you over and show you the damage and give you an idea of what we're gonna repair on this. Check it out. All right, so on this car, we've got a handful of dents. We've got one just up and to the right of the roundel. We've got one back there. Those aren't real deep. We've got right in the middle of the driver's door, a little ding right there. The back door is pretty clean on this side. We've got a couple of high spots where somebody's closed something in the trunk. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do anything with this one. If we can get in, we'll push the shape back out and he's gonna get that just touched up. We've got a little one right there above the 325. Another small ding, top of the deck lid, and a few here on the top of the passenger door. I believe last but not least, a couple little ones right here. Yeah, right there in the fender. So he's not making a show car out of this car. These dents just drive him a little bit crazy. So we don't need to get carried away and make everything perfect. We're just gonna make it a lot better. Much like if we were repairing a used car at a car dealership, take the eye off of everything, make it super nice, but not get show car brand new perfect on it. So I'm gonna go to work. I think we're gonna start it today and finish it tomorrow. I'll be back to show you the after when it's all wrapped up. All right, we are back. We did our used car quality cleanup. You can see those big dents in the hood look a million times better. We had the door ding in the middle of the driver's door is completely gone. That one did come out perfect. We also had some damage in this quarter panel that came out great. Remember our high spots on top of the trunk lid. Fixed a couple of small dings there too. That looks great. The dent above the 325 is gone. Then we had our sort of ugly striper dents on the top of this door. Let's see if we can get real close. See, just a tiny little wiggle, but that's what we were going for. We didn't need it to be a show car. It's just a million times better. And last but not least, we had our couple of dings in the fender, and they are gone. All right, whether you're driving a brand new car or a nice little vintage piece like this, make sure you give us a call at 724-554-1756 or visit us at dentrepairnow.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.